Hi, this is Ankur Malu, and today we are going to talk about how to create a new self-signed certificate and synchronizing it with all the application server deployments. There could be various reasons when you need to create a self-signed certificate. Probably it could be corrupted or going to expire. Few of the reasons mentioned here, which we can see in the app server logs, are keystore was tampered with or the password is incorrect. At the end of this demonstration, we will understand how to create and synchronize the bladelogic.keystore file. So here I am using BSA 8.7 to generate a new bladelogic.keystore, and I can verify the version of my application server from opt bmc bladelogic app server version. So we can see here that app server version is 8.7.00263. First I need to do is I need to stop the app server services, the process spawner, and if there is any pixie or tftp services also running, I need to stop those as well. So I will stop my app server services, bl app server stop, and I will stop my processor spawner as well. So this is stopped, etc init.d bl proxer stop. Since I do not have any pixie or tftp running on this machine, I will not stop those. Now I need to cd to the br directory, opt bmc bladelogic app server nsh br, because the command blmkcert is available here to create the bladelogic.keystore. So my command will be blmkcert cn equal to the app server host name, the path where you want to save the bladelogic.keystore, and the password. So this should create a bladelogic.keystore under /tmp. See, this has created the bladelogic.keystore under /tmp. Now I will back up my original keystore file from the deployments folder to /tmp /backup bmc bladelogic app server nsh br deployments under /tmp, and I have created a backup directory here. So I will copy the bladelogic.keystore from deployments folder to /tmp/backup. Okay, now I will copy the newly generated bladelogic.keystore flows from /tmp to deployments folder. Once I copy this, I need to run the blast admin command to set the password for certificate. So I will do a nsh here and blast admin -a. Now I will first see what is the old password set here, and this should show me in the encrypted format. So when I type in the new password, it should also set in the encrypted format. Cert pass wd is the command and the password which I have given during the generation of bladelogic.keystore. So if I see the new password again, it will be again in the encrypted format. Now I will exit from here. I will clear the screen, and now I have to start my app server services and other services which I have stopped. bl app server start and etc init.d bl proxer start. I will verify quickly if my app server services are running. So I will do a grep on blab serve and my app server services are up and running. To verify everything went correctly, I need to log into the BSA console and that should prompt me for the new certificate. Let's try to log in using the password for BLadmin user. So I will type in the password, I will click on connect and here you go. It is requesting for the new certificate to accept. So I will click on yes to accept the certificate and I should be able to log into BSA console. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for new video.